Hello creative minds, welcome back to Triple P Designer. Today I will be sharing 5 incredible platform, not 5 actually 4 incredible platform where you can find stunning icon resources for your project. This website offers unique and versatile options for design, develop and anyone looking to add flair to their designs. For minimalistic to high details, there's something for everyone. Let's dive. Next up on our list is Craftwork Icons, a treasure trove for beautiful crafted icons. Where what sets this platform appear to be different and unique is its creativity. The icon come in various themes and styles, ideal for both professional playful projects with support of multiple formats like SVG and PNG. Craftwork icons make it easy to integrate them into any design tools or project. Moving on, we have Icon Brew. This platform offers a wide range of free and premium icons designed with precision. Icon Brew is particularly well suited for mobile app interface and web projects thanks to its pixel perfect icons. The website also allows for seamless customization, letting you tweak the icons to match your project's branding or color. Our fourth stop is Humble Icon, a minimalistic icon library perfect for clean modern designs. These icons are simple yet impactful, making them ideal for mobile web application where subtitle is a key. With its focus on clarity and functionality, Humble Icon is a must-have designers looking to maintain a sleek, user-friendly aesthetic. Last but definitely not the least, in Curriculum Icons. This platform offers a curated collection of geometric, beautifully balanced icons. Curriculum icons are perfect for projects requiring a harmonious and symmetric visual language. Whether you are working on a brand, UI design or marketing materials, these icons brings professional and polished look to your work. So you can dive into it and see what are the beautifully sets of icons they are providing with a download option, or you can just jump and directly get the URL from it. Also have a designer and developer mode, and you can also change the colors of the icons very peacefully and very easily, which is very simple for you guys. You can have a look into it and do let me know in the comments which of these 4 you like the most, and if you have any out of this, you can just give it a comment down below. Also, don't forget to see the complete playlist of these icon sets. See you soon. And that's a wrap up my list of the top 4 icon resources for designers in 2024. These platforms provide everything you need to create stunning professional design that should stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Please subscribe and share it with your fellow designers. Stay tuned for more amazing resources and design tips. Until next time, happy design.